Assalamualaikum guys, today I'm making a wall decoration for Ramadan. As you guys know, Ramadan is only 2 days away, so I'm very excited. The things that you're going to need for this craft are A4 size frame, glitter foam sheet, crepe paper, scissors, and a hot glue. So let's get started. I'm using 3 colors of crepe paper: pink, red, white. Let's start with the pink one. I cut it out 1.5 inch strip. I'm going to fold just a little from the top, and then I'm going to fold it in this shape so it makes a triangle, and then we take the top of the triangle and fold it down, and then back up again, and then down. Continue until it ends. Folding it, it should look something like this. From here, I will keep twisting like this. Now as you can see, when you twist it, it's making itself into a rose shape. Now as you can see, my rose is completed. All you have to do is do it using hot glue. And just like this. Ow. Now we are done with our rose, and if you think the top looks a little flat, you can push it using a pencil or a paintbrush. Bucket basket, and let's fill it up with some roses. Our basket is full of flowers. Now let's move on to the next step. Our frame is A4 size and our sheet is A4 size. The sheet fits perfectly into the frame. Glue the foam sheet using hot glue. I printed out a picture that says Ramadan Mubarak, and I stuck on 2 layers of foam board to make it a little popping. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in the middle, and I'm going to stick the flowers around it. Bring on the flower. We are all done, and it looks beautiful.